After 2 millenniums of step-by-step refinement, the architectural stone industry has joined the rush into the technological revolution. And one company has taken the lead in embracing new technologies and applying them to benefit the needs of an entire industry. The tools and technologies others will learn about tomorrow are already being used today at CSCS. Headquartered in Dallas, Texas, CSCS has a long history of innovation. In fact, we are one of the first in our industry to realize the power and benefits of computer control, and as one of the largest architectural stone manufacturers in America, we offer the security and peace of mind of knowing that no matter how large or how intricate the project, we have the means to fulfill your order from concept to completion. But just as important as the ability to get the job done is our reputation for delivering world-class quality to professionals who expect nothing less, and abiding by our philosophy of doing it right the first time. From humble beginnings and just a handful of employees in 1989, the main facility at CSCS has grown into a full-service operation, manufacturing exceptional quality cast stone and importing the finest cut stone from around the world. Our facility covers a dozen acres, retains hundreds of skilled employees, and our clientele reaches every state and beyond. Yet something fundamental has never changed, and that is our never-ending goal of total customer satisfaction. Attesting to our success are awards, as well as recognition from newspapers and magazines. But even more important than all that are the countless letters we receive from customers who are thrilled with the beauty and quality and service they've received. From the moment your plans arrive, all the way through delivery of your finished order, every aspect is overseen by a highly specialized computer system. Its programs are unique, created right here at CSCS. The workday begins early as telephone calls come in from across the country. Whether it's a request for any of our free reference catalogs, or a question regarding bid specifications, order status, or even advice on combining cut stone with cast stone to complement one another. No matter the reason, when you dial our number, you'll never have to navigate through a maze of telephone automation before speaking with an expert customer service advisor. Acting as private liaison, your customer service advisor is your personal line of communication and will follow your project from concept through delivery and beyond, assisting you each step of the way. As morning deliveries bring plans from clients across the country, your customer service advisor sees that yours are logged and your project registered before being scanned into our state-of-the-art computer system. Then, your plans are prepared for estimating, where we will create an in-depth line-item bid package for your project, visually highlighting each area calling for architectural stone. Referred to as customer plan placement, we'll provide you with copies of your drawings where your project is marked in detail and referenced back to each individual line item, clearly showing all costs involved and eliminating the guesswork, surprises, and hidden fees commonly encountered by lump sum bidding. Once it meets your approval, your project is assigned a unique job number, and jobs requiring custom tooling are routed to our in-house drafting department, where you'll see a real difference between us and the other guys. Simply put, if you want your stone to install without problems, the drawings must be accurate. And talk about details, we'll even identify right down to which stone by mark number goes where on the project for the masonry installation. After completing the specifications for your project and drafting, all custom fabrication is sent to our tooling department, where your one-of-a-kind vision begins to take physical shape. Staffed by the most experienced pattern and mold makers you'll find anywhere, our tooling department prides itself on creating highly detailed works, and we've found that by employing a variety of skill sets outside of pattern making, we're able to design from a much broadened point of view, making even the most arduous jobs a reality. From the hands of our award-winning artists, sketching and sculpting unique creations, to fine woodworkers, cabinet makers, and masons, you can trust these multi-talented craftsmen will utilize a wide range of materials and techniques to produce virtually any tooling necessary for your job. Keep in mind though, not all projects are totally custom, and that in itself can be a huge bonus for you. In fact, we warehouse one of the most extensive tooling libraries in the business for you to order from, and that means greater efficiency. By utilizing a mix of stock and custom tooling, your order will generally flow more rapidly through drafting than a job consisting entirely of custom tooling. And orders consisting entirely of stock tooling are literally fast-tracked through submittal and released to fabrication, bypassing both the design and custom tooling departments. Less time in drafting and less time to get your job into production and delivered to the job site. And that results in real-world savings, which will be greatly appreciated by your clientele. With tooling requirements complete, your job packet is routed to the production department, where detailed part sheets are matched with a unique coded identification, which will accompany each individual stone in your order. After forging and finishing, each stone is held overnight in just the right climate-controlled environment. In the morning, it'll be transported to our curing yard, where it is mapped, creating a snapshot of when every pallet by production number will be due and packaging. After curing is complete and each stone has been inspected, the pallets are transferred to a staging area within our shipping department, where each order is stacked and consolidated by production number. Accuracy and stone count is maintained by using a multi-phase barcode system where coded tabs follow every stone. Next stop is wrapping, where strict criteria determines whether the stone will be crated for common carrier or palletized for dedicated flatbed delivery. From here, pallets are moved to the scanning area and crates are routed to the crate shop, where thermal expansion foam fills every crevice before the crate is sealed and sent to scanning. Once in the scanning station, every pallet and every crate is weighed and each barcode tab scanned, verifying stone count once more. It's here that our shipping database generates a unique ID number and comprehensive packaging label showing the production number, weight, quantity, and detailed listing of the pallets or crates' contents. When the last stone is scanned, our shipping database automatically confirms the completion status of your order and gives the okay to ship. Once given the okay, a checklist within our database ensures all shipment documentation is prepared and made ready for customer delivery. Insured transport is scheduled, and customers whose orders require dedicated flatbed carrier to the job site are notified of the delivery date. Common carrier shipments are sent directly to the carrier's terminal nearest the customer, where upon arrival, the carrier will call you and schedule your delivery. With your order complete and en route for delivery, it's not hard to see that CSCS ultimately relies upon our people. They are a dedicated, highly skilled workforce, among the finest in the entire architectural stone industry. When doing business with CSCS, I believe you'll agree our people do make a difference. We place high value on their ability to satisfy the customer, their timeliness in handling orders, and their productivity. Our people are crucial to our success, crucial to realizing our goal of total customer satisfaction, and crucial to the success of a partnership between our clientele from coast to coast and CSCS